I just wanted to film for a minute and show Ollie's natural habitat. I was trimming back some branches from the large oak tree in the front yard, and Ollie's been enjoying them. Oh, that's a bright light, isn't it, Ollie? Well, okay, let me move here. He got I don't know if you can see what he's holding and trying to eat. You might be able to see right here. It's an acorn. And he's been playing with it. I think there's one more. And he'll take a leaf, and then here's some apple, pieces of apple that I have up for him to forage. And he's been chewing on that piece. How's it going, Ollie? I'm not gonna take that. You're enjoying it, aren't you? He's giving him a good workout. Okay, so see you later. You're looking now, aren't you? You're looking at the phone. Hi, baby. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Bye-bye.